Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make edits like X4. We'll dive straight into practical steps to transform your raw footage into captivating content. You'll learn fundamental editing principles that elevate your videos, making them more engaging and visually striking. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and produce stunning results with ease. This guide focuses on efficiency and impact, ensuring your edits stand out. First, let's talk about speed ramps and quick cuts, which are crucial for dynamic edits. Speed ramps allow you to dramatically slow down or speed up sections of your video, creating impactful moments. Combine this with quick cuts, typically lasting 1 to 3 seconds, to keep your audience captivated. Varying your clip durations prevents monotony and adds a professional rhythm to your final production. This technique alone can elevate your video's energy significantly. Next, let's enhance your visual impact with effective color grading. Start with color correction to ensure your footage has a natural, consistent look across all clips. Then, use color grading to evoke specific emotions or moods, transforming the overall feel of your video. Simple adjustments to saturation, contrast, and highlights can make your visuals pop, giving them a polished, cinematic quality. This step is vital for a truly professional finish. Finally, don't underestimate the power of sound design. Select background music that perfectly complements your video's mood and pace, enhancing the emotional connection. Integrate subtle sound effects, like whooshes or impacts, to make your cuts and transitions feel more immersive and impactful. Once your edit is complete, export your video in high definition, such as 1080 pixels or 4K, to ensure the highest possible quality for your audience. These final touches make all the difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.